Hello, Howard Elementary School students, families, and staff. It is Principal Jett. I'm here with Ella. We are at the family reading night. Have you been enjoying the event, Ella?
Yes.
What's been the most fun of the event so far?
Well, I've only been here for about like 20 minutes, so
Have the 20 minutes been exciting?
yes, very. We went and got some books at the book fair, and then now I'm wandering.
Very cool. You're wandering? How about this? Why don't you take my phone for a few minutes and go get some fit footage of what you think is exciting?
First, I think in 4th grade is my favorite part, maybe, where here are the quotes. Hello.
Oh gosh,
This is
hi.
Roshan. They are doing quotes.
Okay, there.
I don't know why, but Mr. Jett took your
Wow.
Mr. Brian.
That,
And
so Mr. Jett.
this is my beautiful brother. And then next up, I think, is the library. Look at all those kids in the library. There's a lot of them. I think next we're gonna go to 3rd grade. Look at the beautiful artwork that these 3rd graders have been doing. I think that is really cool to see how 3rd graders can put their minds together and just figure something out. And there are some people in here. That's what they're doing in 3rd grade. Mr. Jett's phone. This is his phone. Kindergartners. Then we're gonna head to the kitchen and show you some of the amazing cafeteria.
So Ella, has it been an exciting event?
Yes.
I can't wait to see what this has looked like through your eyes.
Yes. It was
Very cool.
fun.
Give me a hand, high five. Perfect. We'll see you. Beep, beep, be your best, and
Be a reader.